Sioux Chief is proud to offer the OmniPanel, a dual valve access plate and part of our Access product group. Accessible valves have been the standard for laundry and ice maker locations for decades, and the installation of the valve at the rough-in stage of the job has been their primary advantage. Installing valves during the rough-in stage are easier to install and require fewer touches throughout the job. This advantage is still relevant today and is the primary driver in developing accessible plumbing products like the OmniPanel. The OmniPanel allows the contractor to position and install valves with a single product at rough. The OmniPanel provides or replaces all of the components needed for an accessible lavatory rough-in. Components like the stub outs, bracketing, valves, and escutcheons. Installing the OmniPanel also eliminates many of the steps involved with traditional installations. Steps like cutting and mounting wood blocks or other bracketing, fabricating the stub out, positioning and securing the stub out, cleaning, cutting, and prepping the stub out, gathering finish materials, and connecting the valve to the stub out at finish. Making that final valve connection can be risky, inviting potential damage to finished floors, walls, and cabinetry. Using the OmniPanel not only reduces the materials and overall installation time, but also the time and effort spent on material management, handling, and purchasing. The panel can also help standardize installations, which makes for easier estimating and bidding. Standardized installations are more consistent and can eliminate issues like wobbly or skewed stub outs and improper valve connections. These issues can lead to leaks or callbacks. The reduction in installation time and touches can lead to substantial savings when multiplied across the total number of valves in a house and the total number of houses done per year. To calculate these savings, Sioux Chief offers a cost analysis worksheet, which compares the costs associated with traditional installations to the OmniPanel. The cost analysis worksheet can be found at siouxchief.com or by contacting your local Sioux Chief rep. The OmniPanel comes in a bagged kit with everything needed to install a lavatory or laundry supply at rough-in. The valves are designed to snap into the panel to provide a secure installation. The rigid, durable panel is made from a reinforced, pre-colored white material. Frames are color matched for a pleasing finished look. If you need to remove a valve from the panel, Sioux Chief offers a removal tool. Simply align the tool, press, and pull the valve free. Once the supply tubing is installed, the valve is secured tight. Each panel features an integrally molded, flexible elastomeric center. This unique feature allows the OmniPanel to be installed directly over the drain pipe or fitting at rough-in. The flexible material will accommodate a drain pipe from 1 1/2 inch to 2 inches and will even wrap over a 2-inch Schedule 40 fitting hub. Each product comes with a protective debris cover. The cover is highly visible and snaps onto the panel. Zip ties are included and can be linked together to secure the debris cover onto the plate. The debris cover should prevent the valves from being covered up by drywall and should protect the valves until finish. The OmniPanel can be mounted directly to a stud or framing member. There are several mounting options on all 4 sides of the flange. It also includes 2 adjustable brackets which slide through integral tracks on top and bottom to allow the panel to be installed between studs. The OmniPanel can be installed horizontally or vertically. Valves can be snapped in for supply lines from above or below and can be oriented to align the outlet in the desired direction. Sioux Chief recommends installation with the valves below the drainage port. Even if the drainage arm is angled sharply, the flexible port maintains a sealed penetration, and the panel remains flush and square, making the finish faster, easier, and cleaner. As mentioned before, we recommend installing the panel with the valves below the drainage, especially for applications using multiple layers of drywall or thicker cabinets. This orientation allows the fixture supply tubes enough space to flex out up to the fixture, regardless of drywall layers or cabinet thickness. Because the OmniPanel is intended to be installed at rough, the frame is sold separately. It stays off the job, not getting lost or damaged. At finish, the debris cover is removed and the frame snaps to the panel, much like a laundry box. If needed, a frame extension is available if the drywall or cabinet prevent the frame from snapping in. The OmniPanel employs a patented valve design that is being used on all Sioux Chief Oxbox and other Access products. Although this valve is of the highest quality and made from the best materials available, this new valve design is universally replaceable, meaning it can be replaced with any common 5/8 inch compression valve. An engineered proprietary silicone gasket provides the seal. Valves are plated and have a T handle for easy quarter-turn operation. Each valve is also shipped with a nylon test cap to protect the connection threads and discourage tampering. Valve bodies and inlet shakes are made from top-quality brass materials that is dezincification and stress corrosion cracking resistant. The long radius sweep of the elbow design improves flow and reduces noise. The inlet connection positions the water supply near the center of the stud bay, which is away from stray drywall screws. Valve inlet connections include MIP or female sweat, F1807 PEX, F1960 PEX, shrouded CPVC socket, and male sweat. Male sweat connections can also be used for press or push connections. An integral groove locks push fittings in place. Outlet options include 3/8 inch for standard lavatories and 3/4 inch male hose thread for laundry applications. Valves are also available with Sioux Chief's Mini Rester water hammer arresters. When installed as a laundry panel, the valve orientation locates the laundry hoses closer to the wall, allowing the washing machine to be closer to the wall as well. The laundry drain hose then installs directly into a flush-facing 2-inch elbow. Thank you for watching. Please visit SiouxChief.com for more information on the OmniPanel and other Sioux Chief accessible plumbing solutions.